What's up, Skippy Ohio Whistlers? Today, I'm a ball. Hi. I don't know what the ball's in here, but today we're playing Skateboarding Part 3. I don't know. Maybe the last part. You guys want more? I don't know. Nice. Alright. So, Skippy Ohio Whistlers / Killies. Today, I came up with a name. Kelly's! And that's what you are if you're a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, you don't have any whip, pills, or anything with yeah. But my subscribers do. Cool, let's get on. I'm not stuck in it. I can just. It's that easy, y'all. I cannot do that. So easy. Also, I was trying to get a new part of my outfit will probably be this, because yeah. Please give me the more final video. I can have this. I can put that on my head. I can then I can have this. Might just equip everything. And today, yeah. Alright, let's go into Sigma Wiz mode. We're gonna go get the code and then
The first time I started playing, I had like little dots as hands, but then when I joined the public, I had actual hands, and I never knew this, but I had long arms. Holy, dude, this game gives you long arms. Do you see my little arms? Okay, let's get out of here. Wait, okay, let's go.
code. Alright, so yeah. I have this. Sigma. Okay. So let's go.
8 or 10 to have long arms.
Alright. So the easiest code you can find is this one. That's one of the easiest. Yeah. That's the easiest one you can find. The second easiest is of this one. If yeah, this one. I don't know what I say, cause yep, it's just easy. So it's 6. There's the first code. Where's the one that is? That's the first code. And then probably the hardest. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Sorry to say, but you can't find it. But all you gotta do is come here. So my code is 634. I already got it, but I'm gonna delete it. The code when I get there, then I'm gonna re-enter it. I'm wondering. Don't mess me up. Questions, but if you want a part 4, maybe a part 4. But yeah. Now those are good code spots if they're not in video games, either hacked, bugged, or I don't know. But the way to the code room is so when you go. So this door is like a trick. This is the way to the roller coaster and the control room. But this room, if you go through here, go this way, go this way, go this way, go all the way down here. You want to go this way, and you want to go this way. Alright. Now, let me delete. Enter. I still have it open. I don't know why. But my code was 6. 3. Alright, let's pretend like the door is open. You can also kind of see level 2. You can see that. I don't think it's level 2. It is. And yes, the button does work, but I am not explored level 2, but I will try to when I have any time to do it. And when I... Oh, no, no, no! Please! 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 You can pick up these guys. Why am I glowing? Why am I glowing? Sorry that blind guys. Nice one. But so that's pretty much no, please. Pretty much all for the yeah, that's all for today. Part 2, 4 is coming out. Sorry, I can't talk, it's the morning. And yeah, I'm going back in my hole. So we're doing probably 5 parts, and then I'm gonna play like some Serial Babble and some other games. And I'm stuck in here again, but yes, there will be like 5 parts. I'll try and make 5 parts. And give me any ideas of what, like, give me any ideas of what video you want me to do. Yeah, or just do anything you want. So comment and tell me your ideas. Multiple people have commented, so give me the most idea so I can probably, you know.
Another game. They're revamping this whole game into another game. It's a part. It's called Scary Monkey. It's the same game. It's called Scary Monkey, but it's the same game.
They added the second level.
It's the same game, but it's yeah.
They added the second
I don't
level.
remember, but I might have that. No. Part 4, 5 coming out soon. Part 3 probably one gonna be. Part 5 I'm gonna try and make those long. I don't want to make it long, and I'm not trying to make it like a super long part because I don't want to make it so long because I don't get any views. So, because on my first vid, I was Scary Monkey. I got I got 15 views on that vid. So yeah, a day. So, and then the second part, just really, you know, just really long. I'm not trying to make long videos, but yeah, this is like a short one. So yeah, bye. Let me go on my quick. I'll have to because I just can't live going in my way. What? Alright, y'all.